Yeah, come on over. Come on out.
Having captured his owner's attention, he can practice another skill.
It's not easy being green.
It's not easy being green. It's not easy being green.
Mimicry isn't as unnatural as it seems. Wild parakeets mimic each other, and each family learns their own distinct calls.
Never shake a baby bird. That would surely be absurd.
Never shake a baby bird. That would surely be absurd.
This budgie is just doing what he would do in the flock.
That a parakeet? What is it? A three-melon bird that talks? That's not important right now.
Even having a name may not be as unnatural as it seems.
Nice pitch head.
I'm Disco and I know it. I'm Disco and I know it.
I am not a crook. My name is Disco.
Wild parrots have been shown to